Here's how to prepare an IDC Series unit for recycling. First, remove the condensate line from the inlet and replace the push-to-connect fitting with the red plug removed during the installation. Second, seal the unit by unscrewing the vent and screwing in the solid cap from the recycle kit. This will eliminate oil and water from escaping during shipping. Next, cut the 3/4 inch rubber hose about a foot from the outlet. Insert the plastic plug from the recycle kit into the hose and tap it in with a hammer to make sure it's secure. If you no longer have the recycle kit that was shipped with your unit, contact Clean Resources and we will send you a replacement. If you want to return the unit to Clean Resources for recycling, go to cleanresources.com and select Recycle from the menu at the top of the page to begin the RMA process. Follow the link in the description for further instructions. If you still have questions, please reach out to us at cleanresources.com or call us 800-566-0402.